we are going to show you how you add your company logos to the theme area of Locked On, and these will be used through your email marketing. Simply click your name at the top right and go to Office Settings. Inside the Office Settings, you'll see an area called Theme. This is where you'll be able to add your colors and your logos to be used in email marketing. First of all, we'll use a logo for a white background. This would generally be a PNG file. I'll be able to click the Upload Image option, browse my computer, and upload a particular file. Here we can see I have the Locked On logo. I will select this, and it will then upload into logo for white background. The logo for your dark background should also be a PNG file. This will allow you to have a color in the row behind your logo and make your logo stand out on that color. We'll click the Upload option and select the same logo again. Now the email signature banner can be the same logo, or you can use something different. This will appear at the bottom of your emails. Again, hit the Upload Image option, select your file, and it will be added to the theme area. Once you have finished adding your logos, hit the Update Theme option for these to be saved. You'll then need to select your highlight color and your background color. With Locked On, the background color we want to use is a black, and the green we want to use will be the green in the logo. If you know your hex color codes, you can type it into the highlight color area. I'll paste the Locked On hex color code for the green in now. If you need to select a color from the standard colors, you can click the little square icon and choose any of the standard colors we have there. Once you've added in the highlight and background, you can then hit the Update Theme to save this, and you have now set up your logos to be used in all of your email marketing.